Can you imagine it? The very first words an alien civilization might ever hear from humanity aren't a warning or a challenge. They're a warm, heartfelt invitation across billions of light years.
Hello, how are you? We've missed you so much. If you have time, please come visit us.
But what if the dark forest hypothesis is real? In a universe full of hunters, any civilization that reveals its location risks instant annihilation. On September 5, 1977, at Cape Canaveral in Florida, a Titan Centaur rocket lifted off successfully. It carried humanity's boundless curiosity, breaking free from Earth's gravity and plunging into the infinite darkness. Originally, the probe was designed only to explore Jupiter and Saturn. No one could have predicted it would become the farthest human-made object in history, a solitary wanderer among the stars, openly broadcasting our planet's precise coordinates. Now, 48 years later, it's still traveling at 17 kilometers per second. Its distance from Earth has exceeded 24 billion kilometers. Along that journey, it sent back countless discoveries that completely transformed our understanding of the universe, while continuously revealing Earth's exact location. And the most controversial part? The golden record it carries, a disk containing the complete secrets of human civilization. Today, we're diving into the legendary story and the endless debates surrounding Voyager 1. Is it truly humanity's brave pioneer, or an accidental deadly threat to our very existence? Voyager 1 was launched to seize a rare cosmic opportunity that occurs only once every 175 years. In 1965, NASA engineer Gary Flandreau accidentally discovered that around 1977, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune would align perfectly, an extraordinarily rare astronomical event. This was the ideal moment to use gravity assists. As the probe flew past each giant planet, their immense pull would act like an invisible hand, slingshotting it to speeds far beyond what its own engines could achieve. Miss this window, and exploring the outer solar system could take 30 years. Thanks to these assists, it could be done in just 12. In the 1970s, our knowledge of the solar system was still hazy. What exactly was Jupiter's Great Red Spot? Were Saturn's rings solid or just loose debris? Could life exist on Saturn's moon Titan? These unanswered questions fueled an unstoppable curiosity among scientists. NASA made a bold decision: develop Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 simultaneously to explore all four gas giants. No one foresaw that one daring choice would completely derail the original plan, turning Voyager 1 into the greatest interstellar probe in human history. In March 1979, after 18 months in space, Voyager 1 approached Jupiter at just 349,000 kilometers from its center. The images it beamed back stunned the world. The Great Red Spot wasn't a calm patch of color. It was a colossal storm larger than Earth itself, with winds reaching 640 km/h, over 20 times stronger than Earth's fiercest hurricanes. And this storm had been raging for at least 300 years without ever stopping. Jupiter's moons brought even greater surprises. Io, long thought to be a dead, cratered rock, turned out to be the most volcanically active world in the solar system. Plumes erupted up to 200 kilometers high, hundreds of times taller than Earth's volcanoes. The cause? Jupiter's massive gravity constantly kneading Io's interior, generating enormous friction and heat. Europa appeared with a smooth, icy surface and almost no craters. High-resolution images revealed crisscrossing cracks like those on frozen lakes. Scientists concluded there was likely a vast liquid ocean beneath the ice. Liquid water, the key ingredient for life, immediately made Europa one of the top candidates for extraterrestrial life in our solar system. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, shocked experts even more. It has a thick atmosphere, clearly layered internal structure, possible subsurface ocean, and, remarkably, its own magnetic field, extremely rare for a moon. A single flyby of Jupiter completely overturned our understanding and made Voyager 1 the center of global attention. But the most astonishing discoveries were still to come. In November 1980, Voyager 1 reached Saturn. Its magnificent rings, seen up close, revealed beauty never imagined. People had assumed they were solid disks. In reality, they consist of billions of ice and rock particles, from dust grains to mountain-sized chunks, forming thousands of thin, interwoven rings that sparkle brilliantly in sunlight. Saturn's most intriguing moon, Titan, delivered the biggest shock of all. It's the only moon in the solar system with a thick atmosphere. To study Titan more closely, mission controllers made a critical decision: adjust the trajectory for a close flyby. Titan's strong gravity dramatically altered Voyager 1's path, flinging it out of the ecliptic plane and making visits to Uranus and Neptune impossible. Later, the Cassini mission confirmed over 50 lakes of liquid methane on Titan's surface. Methane is a key building block of life. Though no signs of biology were found, Titan's unique environment showed humanity for the first time that life could exist in forms completely different from Earth's. On February 14, 1990, as Voyager 1 passed Neptune's orbit, NASA issued one final command: turn around and take a family portrait of the solar system. Among those images was the famous pale blue dot, Earth reduced to a faint speck of light, less than 0.112 pixels across, hanging in a sunbeam. Carl Sagan wrote about it. Look again at that dot. That's here. That's home. That's us. On it, everyone you love, everyone you know, every human being who ever was, lived out their lives. That image gave humanity its first profound sense of how fragile and tiny Earth truly is in the vast cosmos. But right after capturing that historic photo, Voyager 1 kept going, straight out of the solar system. This decision made it the farthest human-made object ever, and began its lonely journey among the stars. From that moment, its mission shifted, no longer just exploring planets, but serving as humanity's ambassador, carrying a message to any alien civilization that might exist. That message is carried on the Golden Record, later called Earth's calling card. A 12-inch copper-plated disc that seems ordinary, yet contains our solar system's map, Earth's precise cosmic coordinates, greetings in 55 languages, including the warm Chinese message, "Hello, how are you? We've missed you. If you have time, please come visit us." It's essentially an Earth user's manual. Oceans, mountains, forests, cities, medicine, science, a complete portrait of our ecosystem and civilization. The most mysterious and worrying feature is the cover, a map of 14 nearby pulsars that allows any civilization decoding it to pinpoint Earth's exact location in the Milky Way. From today's perspective, this isn't just a friendly greeting. It's handing a detailed roadmap straight to our doorstep. This brings to mind the dark forest hypothesis proposed by Liu Cixin in the three-body problem. The universe is a dark forest filled with hunters. Every civilization hides like an armed predator. The safest way to survive upon detecting another is to strike first. Humanity, with only a few thousand years of history in a 13.8 billion-year-old universe, is like a child stumbling into that forest. If an ancient, technologically superior civilization finds Earth, rich in water, moderate temperatures, abundant resources, what would they do? Reach out in friendship, or eliminate a potential threat, harvest our resources, or treat us as specimens? Voyager 1 would take 70,000 years to reach the nearest star. Average distances between stars are 38 trillion kilometers. The odds of encountering another civilization are lower than finding a single needle at the bottom of the Pacific Ocean. But as Carl Sagan's team once acknowledged, the probability is tiny. But if it ever happens, the consequence would be total catastrophe for humanity. In 2018, many prominent astronomers co-signed a letter urging NASA to find a way to silence Voyager 1 and stop its transmissions. By then, it had already crossed the heliopause. Signals were too weak. No command from Earth could reach it anymore. It's now an uncontrollable message in a bottle, carrying our coordinates, while we can only watch and hope no hostile civilization ever finds it. Today, Voyager 1 still sends data every day, but it takes 22 hours to reach us. What we receive now was actually transmitted yesterday. Even the toughest probe can't last forever. Its power comes from 3 radioisotope thermoelectric generators, each containing dozens of plutonium pellets that slowly decay, producing heat converted to electricity. Since 2007, NASA has been gradually shutting down instruments to conserve power. First plasma sensors, then radio astronomy tools, and by 2019, even the gyroscopes. Now it flies purely on inertia. Scientists predict that by the early 2030s, power will drop too low to maintain even basic communication. Then it will go silent forever, becoming a true cosmic wanderer. But that's not the end. In the near vacuum of interstellar space, with almost no drag, inertia will carry it forever toward the constellation Ophiuchus. Its titanium hull can withstand cosmic rays and extreme temperatures. The golden record could survive 1 billion years. Its most likely fate? Eternal drifting in the vast universe, collision odds are negligible. In millions of years, it will still quietly orbit the galactic center. By then, humanity may have long left Earth, or vanished entirely. Voyager 1 could become the last remaining proof that we ever existed. There's one other possibility, however remote: discovery by an alien civilization. Then, the golden record would truly become humanity's calling card. How would they interpret our message? Would they respond with kindness? Or, as the dark forest warns, bring about our end? No one knows. Right now, the probe carrying our greeting and coordinates drifts alone through the cosmic dark. It may never be found. Or perhaps, in some distant future, it will become the only gift humanity leaves to the universe. From our pale blue dot, we can only watch quietly, wishing it safe passage on its endless journey, and hoping that one day we'll be ready for whatever challenges the cosmos holds. If an alien civilization really arrived because of the golden record, what would you want to ask them first? Their appearance, their technology, or their view of human civilization? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love mind-blowing stories about exploring the universe like this one, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's discover the future beyond Earth together.